Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to identify leaf miners in your garden. Here's a clip from the show. And then I went to the other corner of the building because I remember seeing leaf miner. I wanted to show you what this looks like. And you can get this in your spinach and your Swiss chard and your beets. And you can see all this damage done all around here. And what happens is, if you turn this around, right here you can see some of the leaf miner eggs. And the eggs hatch out. And then the larvae travels in between the top and the bottom layers of the leaf. So there's no sprays or anything that can get to that. So the best defense is just to pick these leaves off. And you can see all the damage that was done on this leaf. So it's just something you want to monitor. And you also want to monitor around the outside of your garden as well. Because if you got, let's say you got wild Swiss chard growing in one corner, you want to get those leaves off that have leaf miner on it. So this will go to the chickens, and that'll be the end of the leaf miner. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 6. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.